Hello everyone, welcome to South News. I'm Afaf Kanja. Joining us today is the Prime Minister of Fiji, Prime Minister Bainimarama. Welcome to South News. So nice to meet you in person, Mr. Prime Minister. Thank you. Thanks for being here. You know, we're looking at Fiji now, and it seems to be heading and signaling some very interesting changes in its political direction. And one very exciting thing actually officially taking place at the United Nations tomorrow is the official handover of the G77 presidency from Algeria to Fiji. First of all, congratulations, a pre-congratulations there.
Thank you.
Tell us, why is Fiji taking this on at this time? What has your government had to do to adjust to this really big responsibility? And also, what do you hope to achieve this year?
As you rightly said, the handover of the G77 chairmanship is going to be done tomorrow, carried out tomorrow. And we're taking over from Algeria. And the chairmanship was offered to PSIDS, the Pacific Small Island Development States, and it was given to us on their behalf. So we're looking forward to the chairmanship of the G77 on behalf of the Small Island Development States, but also for developing countries. We're excited about the chairmanship of the G77 for a Small Island Development State. There are a lot of challenges in front of us with regards to issues in the global forum, and we hope to listen to our members with regards to those issues. But we're certainly excited about taking over the chairmanship of the G77.
And on the workings of the G77, and maybe this is one of those key initiatives that you'll be holding, is I understand that you'll actually be hosting yourself a high-level panel meeting on the workings of the G77 in Fiji in May. Is that correct? And what do we expect that to focus on and maybe an outcome?
We will be hosting a panel of distinguished people from around the world. But before that, our ambassador here will be continuing the work of the Secretary of the G77 in getting that organized. And we hope to get this eminent group together next year, or this year, sorry, so that we can find a way forward for G77 and its membership in the next 12 months.
I know that Fiji is really making some swift changes here. Let's talk about the roadmap toward democratic parliament, this process here. You have promised to lift martial law. Elections are coming up, slated, I believe, for September of next year. However, the country has been working without a constitution, through decrees. It's been tough. It's been tough. We in the media recognize that. What are you working on to really make this democratic process a reality, and how can you ensure that it will be sustainable?
Well, it's coming out okay. If I can make a quick statement on that, we have a draft constitution that's going to be handed to a Constituent Assembly, who will go through it and, of course, have it endorsed by His Excellency the President. We have over 500,000 people in Fiji that have registered for voting, and after having